Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I have competition from the bell tower. As soon as the bell stops. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome everybody here tonight. I'm Bob Scott, the mayor of Franklin. This is a long-time tradition that we do every year. And I want to mention a couple of things to you. I want you to know that all of this was done with town employees and the Main Street merchants. They did a magnificent job. I've decided that we could make the town's budget if we charged everybody that makes a selfie here tonight. This is a Christmas that we'll never forget. The Christmas that we all stood here in masks, but we are all standing here, and that's what's important. We're so delighted to have everybody here with us tonight. Welcome to Franklin. Some of you are not from here and are visiting. We want you to know you're very welcome, and we're glad to have you. So just in a few minutes, we will have our customary countdown. I'll tell you when. We'll start it with 10, and we'll work it on down. And at that time, we're going to have Andy and Leighton, who are going to get the honor of throwing the switch. And when that tree lights up, the official Christmas of Franklin, North Carolina is underway. So, okay, Andy, are you and Leighton ready? All right, everybody has to help count. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! We want everybody to enjoy themselves, have a good time, and you're just lucky you're here in Franklin, North Carolina. Glad to have you. In case you have... I see it, yeah. Me and Chris.
Okay, that was the annual Christmas tree lighting in Franklin, North Carolina. I will let the live stream play for just a little bit longer so you can get a feel for the ambience down here. Thank you all for tuning in, and thanks to the town of Franklin for putting on this event. I don't know if you're able to see it or not. We've got a snow machine out here.
I just said I love it. Right there.
Okay, I'm going to shut down the stream. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a Merry Christmas and be safe this year.